Understanding the phrase, not to be sneezed at. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, not to be sneezed at. This phrase is a perfect example of English's colorful expressions. We'll explore its meaning, usage, and origin to help you understand and use it confidently in your conversations. So, let's get started. The phrase, not to be sneezed at, is used to describe something that is too important or too valuable to be dismissed or ignored. It suggests that the thing in question deserves attention or respect. For example, if someone offers you a job with a good salary, you might say the offer is not to be sneezed at, meaning it's a good opportunity that should be considered seriously. To help you better understand how to use not to be sneezed at, here are a few examples in sentences. The bonus they offered me was certainly not to be sneezed at. A 10% discount on such an expensive purchase is not to be sneezed at. His achievements in the field of science are not to be sneezed at. He has contributed significantly to our understanding of the topic. The phrase, not to be sneezed at, comes from the old belief that sneezing was a way to rid the body of illness or evil spirits. Therefore, something that was not to be sneezed at was considered too significant or valuable to be expelled in such a manner. Over time, the phrase evolved to its current meaning, emphasizing the importance or value of something rather than its literal connection to sneezing. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, not to be sneezed at, and how to use it in your English conversations. Remember, learning English is a journey filled with fascinating phrases and expressions. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to explore the language's rich idiomatic expressions. See you in the next video.